That did it. Okay, we did it.
Was, Lils?
I don't think we did anything. The place is still a wreck. Cat, you said if we shut the crate, everything would be okay. But it's not. It's a complete disaster.
Why, you little?
Now, what are you gonna do? Menace anyone? Ooh. Love that new ball smell. Yeah.
Hey, your hat. Magic again?
Oops. Well, now that the cat's out of the bag, to use an archaic and cruel-sounding metaphor, why don't you serve first?
You had your real hat this whole time?
Yep. I planned the whole day.
Why, you littles?
What do you mean you planned the whole day? All of it?
Yep.
The house getting trashed?
Yep.
Quinn taking Nevins?
Yep.
Cutting off your tail?
Nope.
Why me, little?
Do I open the crate?
Why do you think I made it my one rule? I knew you couldn't resist. Now, who's up for a game of Canadian doubles?
Bazinga! Why me, little?
Cat, you said nothing bad would happen. Cat, you need to get out.
Why you little?
I don't know that game.
Not a game. None of this is a game.
But I thought you two wanted to have fun today.
Look around, Cat. You were right. It's fun to have fun, but you have to know how. And you don't know when enough is enough. Now go.
Susie. Cromwell. Please.
Ow!
Why you little?
Ow!
Why you little? Why me, little?
Good riddance. Now, this may not be the time for I told you so, but... Like I said, not the time.
I'll get the mopping bucket. Timer. Might want to get out of here until Mom has a chance to calm down.
No, this was my fault. I'll take the blame. Look, Mom will be home any second. Why don't you go upstairs?
I'm not going upstairs. I'm staying with you.
Really? Why?
2 reasons. 1, the stairs are destroyed. 2, this is just as much my fault as yours.
Why me, little?
We should share the blame.
Thanks, Helen.
By the way, you're a pretty good brother.
Glad you think that. Maybe we can room together in the military.